dear students, how are you all? I wish always be well. In today's video, we will discuss about differentiation and we will solve some tough type of questions related to differentiation. In last video, we have discussed about the basics of differentiation. But in this video, we will solve some complicated type of questions like product of two, if there are two product of two functions of x or any other function variable. So how can you differentiate them? Or if two functions are in division, then how can you differentiate, and some other type of differentiation method like substitution method. So we will get know how to solve. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, so be ready with your pen and copy and let's solve it. So now see, in last video what we have discussed, see, in last video we have discussed that how we can solve some easy type of question, like if the question is x to the power n plus 3 or x to the power 3 plus 3x square plus 2, then how can you differentiate? So easily you have differentiated by using some formula what I told you in last video. So that you have used and solved. So some formula also we have studied in last video. What are those formula? So first one is x to the power n, differentiation of x to the power n equals to n x to the power n minus 1. Second one was differentiation of constant quantity, that is equals to 0. Third one we have studied differentiation of some trigonometric function like sin x equals to cos x. Fourth, differentiation of cos x equals to minus sin x. And then we have studied d by dx of tan x, that is equals to sec square x. Then differentiation of sec x, that is equals to it's a plus sec x tan x, and then we have studied some more formula like differentiation of cot x, that is equals to cosec square x. Then d by dx minus cosec square x, it's minus cosec square x. Okay, d by dx of cosec x, that is equals to minus cot x cosec x. And differentiation of d by dx of e to the power x, that is equals to e to the power x, d by dx of a to the power x. Then what is that? That is the differentiation of x, d by dx of a to the power x, that is equals to a to the power x. Now the differentiation of, it's a to the power x. Now differentiation of log x, you have studied log x, if base is e, then that is 1 by x. And differentiation of log to the base a x, that is equals to 1 by x log e a. Okay, so these were examples what we have already, these were the formula what I have explained in last video only. In today's video we will utilize all these formula, okay, and we'll solve some product type of questions. So first of all we'll start with revision of last video. In last video we have solved this type of question, like 1 minute, I'll explain. You have written in from last video only. First you see the last video and then only you see this one video. Okay, so I am taking some easy type of questions like x square type of question, x square plus 3x plus 1. If there is x square plus 3x plus 1, so how can you differentiate? So simple, it is simple. I have told you that differentiation of x to the power n equals to nx to the power n minus 1. This formula I have already told you, that is power will increase, this power will come in multiply and x to the power will reduce by 1. एक पावर कम हो जाता है, एक पावर क्या होता है वो बगल में मल्टीप्लाई में आ जाता है, और पावर क्या हो जाता है कम हो जाता है ना, लाइक दैट यू हैव स्टडीड. और एक और क्या बताया था, डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ कांस्टेंट क्वांटिटी, कोई कांस्टेंट क्वांटिटी है तो उसको कैसे डिफरेंशिएट, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 0. कांस्टेंट क्वांटिटी मीन्स इफ यू आर राइटिंग d by dx of 3, so 3 is a constant quantity, so differentiation of 3 equals to 0. So up to here you have studied. So how we will solve this one? So I am going to explain that how you can solve. So I am going to differentiate this function d by dx of this function, that is equals to what? So d by सेपरेटली यू विल राइट, बस जैसा बताया था कि सारे टर्म्स के साथ अलग अलग मल्टीप्लाई अलग अलग लिखोगे. सो दिस ऑपरेटर, ये ऑपरेटर जो है इसको लिखोगे ऐसे. सो d by dx ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर, डिफरेंशिएशन d by dx इज एन ऑपरेटर जो ऑपरेट करे, लाइक प्लस माइनस क्या है, डिवीजन क्या है, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर ऑपरेटर्स. ठीक है, मैथमेटिक्स का ऑपरेटर है या टूल्स बोल सकते हो. देन प्लस इन लास्ट वीडियो व्हाट आई टोल्ड कि जो कांस्टेंट क्वांटिटी होता है उसको बाहर लिख लेते हैं और वेरिएबल के साथ डिफरेंशिएशन लिखते हैं. तो 3 बाहर लिख लिया एंड dx बाई dx यू कैन राइट d by dx ऑफ x. ओके, और 3 को बाहर रख दिया, देन d by dx ऑफ 1. ठीक है, नाउ इट इज हाउ मच, सो डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x टू द पावर 2 बाय दिस फॉर्मूला. पावर क्या आता है, मल्टीप्लाई में आ जाता है और पावर 1 कम हो जाता है. यही पढ़ा था तुमने कि पावर क्या हो जाता है, ये देखो, ये n x to the power n minus 1 means power is multiplied in the with this function and power is decreased by 1. तो देखो ये पावर क्या है, 2 है, तो 2 मल्टीप्लाई में आ गया n x to the power n minus 1, so x to the power 2 minus 1 plus 3 into डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x बताया था बाय फॉर्मूला मैंने, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x इक्वल्स टू 1 कैसे होता है, दैट आई हैव एक्सप्लेन इन लास्ट वीडियो ओनली. ओके, सो डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x इक्वल्स टू 1, so we can write here 1 plus differentiation of a constant quantity, as I have told you that differentiation of constant quantity by the formula, differentiation of a constant quantity, that is equals to 1. So you will write here, sorry 0, it's a 0 now, so we will write here 0. So what we got 2x to the power 1, 2 minus 1, that is 1, so 1 we need not to write here. Okay, plus this is 3. So differentiation of this function is 2x plus 3. Suppose this is y, so dy by dx equals to dy by dx of this term, then differentiated this one. Okay, one more question I'll explain. Okay, then you can understand it better. One more question I'll take, so you can understand. You can pause the video and then write in your copy. Okay, now one more question I'm taking, like x to the power 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 x to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 4. How can you differentiate this question? Plus e to the power x. So how can you differentiate it? So y equals to this function you got. So differentiation of this quantity dy by dx equals to d by dx of all these terms. So differentiation of x to the power 3 by 2 plus, since as I told you कि different जो constant term होता है उसको हम बाहर में लिख लेते हैं, तो हम लिख दिया 3 by 2 एंड डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x टू द पावर माइनस 3 by 2. ओके, फिर प्लस डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ 4, क्योंकि 4 के साथ कोई x नहीं है इसलिए मैंने 4 को डायरेक्टली लिख दिया विथ डिफरेंशिएशन. ओके, प्लस डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ e टू द पावर x. ओके, नाउ डिफरेंशिएट. अब देखो x टू द पावर 3 by 2 है, तो तुमने फॉर्मूला मैंने क्या बताया था कि डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x to the power n, differentiation of x to the power equals to n x to the power n minus 1. पावर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है और एक पावर कम हो जाता है, तो यहाँ पे पावर क्या है 3 by 2, सो पावर मल्टीप्लाई में आ जाएगा 3 by 2 इंटू एक्स का पावर एक कम हो जाता है तो 3 by 2 minus 1. अंडरस्टूड? प्लस 3 by 2 है यहाँ पे. अब देखो d by dx ऑफ x to the power minus 3 by 2. अब सिंपल से पावर क्या आता है, मल्टीप्लाई में आ जाता है, तो हमने मल्टीप्लाई पे लिख दिया 3 by 2 and x to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 1 n minus 1, पावर minus 1, जो पावर है उसमें से एक कम हो जाता है तो n minus 1 मतलब minus 3 by 2 minus 1. ओके, प्लस differentiation of a constant, 4 is what, constant quantity, and differentiation of a constant quantity equals to what, 0, plus differentiation of e to the power x by the formula you can see differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x only. So you can write here 3 by 2 x to the power, this one will be 3 by 2 minus 1, you can minus it, so 3 by 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 2, plus 3 by 2 and 3 by this plus will be minus when it multiplied with this one. So minus 3 into 3, 9 upon 4. Okay, x to the power, it will be minus 3 by 2 minus 1. That will be minus 5 by 2. Okay, plus e to the power x. So dy by dx equals to how much you got? You got this much. Okay, so I think you have written it. Okay, so I am moving next question. That is, this side I am going to write. Now if another question you are taking, x to the power 3 plus sin x plus cot x, this question plus log x. If you are taking this question, then how you can solve it? So that's very easy, only formula based it is. So we will solve it. So y equals to, you have this much. Now dy by dx equals to what? That is equals to d by dx of x to the power 3 plus sin x plus cot x plus log x. Okay, so separately we will write this operator on with all the terms. So I will multiply. So d by dx x to the power 3 plus d by dx sin x plus d by dx cot x plus d by dx log x. Okay, now by the formula you know x to the power 3. तो बताया था कि पावर क्या होता है, मल्टीप्लाई में जाता है. सो इट विल कम इन मल्टीप्लाई x to the power 3 minus 1. Then d by dx of sin x equals to cos x, you know. Then d by dx of cot x equals to minus cos x cot x, cos x square x. Okay, plus differentiation of log x equals to 1 by x. So you got this answer. So you can write here 3x square plus cos x minus cos x square x plus 1 by x. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, now one more thing I have to explain. Look, if you have one question, that is x to the 1 by x, differentiation of 1 by x if you are trying to find. And first of all, what you will do, you will write x to the power minus 1 and then d by dx of x to the power minus 1, like that. अगर इसे 1 by x लिखा है या x स्क्वायर लिखा है, मान लो x स्क्वायर लिखा 1 by x स्क्वायर, तो भी इसको पहले कन्वर्ट कर लेना x to the power minus 2. अब ये इजी हो जाएगा, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x to the power minus 2. तो तुमको पता है पावर मल्टीप्लाई में रहता है, तो ये हो जाएगा -2 x to the power minus 2 minus 1 and minus 1. अब तुम easily लिख सकते हो -2 x to the power minus 3. So this is the answer. Like that you will solve. Okay, I hope up to here it is clear. So now I am moving for the product of two function type of question. ठीक है, अगर दो फंक्शंस हैं तो उनका मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो किस तरीके से निकालते हैं आंसर. ठीक है, ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, अगर इस वीडियो में नहीं हो पाएगा देन I will make another video also to complete this. Okay, now product of two function, what is the formula? Formula for the two function, if u and v, there are two functions of x. Now if u and v are the two functions of x, then dy, suppose y equals to u into v given, u and v given, then how you will differentiate? So dy by dx equals to what you will write? This is the formula, na? First function, yeah, or any function. First function differentiation of second plus second function differentiation of first function. First function, okay, differentiation of second one plus second function differentiation of first one. Okay, so this is the formula. I will explain it by example बताऊंगी तो ज़्यादा better clear होगा ये. ठीक है, for example I am taking one question, like one example is sin x to the power 3 into sin x. How can you differentiate? अगर ये अकेले हो x क्यूब होता तब तो हम कर लेते, या फिर अकेले sin x होता तब भी हमको पता है फॉर्मूला, बट वी डोंट नो फॉर्मूला फॉर x क्यूब into sin x. Okay, so how can you differentiate it? So हम इसको कर लेते हैं. y equals to this much is given. Now dy by dx equals to d by dx of x to the power 3 into sin x. तो मैंने जैसे कि फॉर्मूला बताया है कि फर्स्ट फंक्शन, किसी एक को फर्स्ट मान लो इसको फर्स्ट मान लिया, इसको सेकंड, तो फर्स्ट फंक्शन तुमने ऐसे ही लिखा ना, u, मान लो ये u है, ये देखो ये u है और ये v है, तो तुम कैसे लिखते हो, फर्स्ट लिखते हो u, तो डिफ्रेंशिएशन ऑफ v, फिर प्लस v डिफ्रेंशिएशन ऑफ u. ओके, सो व्हाट इज v एंड u, तो आप देख लो यहाँ से समझ में आ रहा होगा तुमको, u कितना है ये, तो हमने लिख लिया u इज x टू द पावर 3, देन डिफ्रेंशिएशन ऑफ v इज sin x, so sin x plus v is sin x, then differentiation of u, that is this one, dy dx of x to the power 3. To here you have written. Now see, now it's easy. Now when you have applied the formula, easily you can find out when equals to, ये नहीं कि simply differentiate करके x cube को भी into इसको भी नहीं, there is a formula for it, तो ये है formula, ठीक है. So x to the power 3, क्योंकि x to the power 3 का तो differentiation है नहीं, तो as it is you will write. Now differentiation of sin x equals to what? By the formula it is cos x. Differentiation of sin x equals to cos x plus sin x simply लिख लोगे, then differentiation of x to the power 3. What is the differentiation of x to the power 3? तो तुमको बताया था मैंने कि क्या लिखते हैं, पावर मल्टीप्लाई भी आ जाता है, 3x to the power 3 minus 1. So now the answer is x cube cos x plus this one is 3x square sin x. So dy by dx, how much you got? You got this one. Okay, so this is the differentiation of product of two functions. One more example we can take. Okay, and can solve. Suppose one example I am taking. Suppose you are taking another example. Not sin x, something else we can take, like cos x into x to the power, or you can take 10x. Okay, how can you differentiate this function? So if you want to differentiate it, so simply you consider this one as u and this one as v, this one as u and this one as v. So now you can write as by the formula, you know that differentiation of y, d by dx of y equals to d by dx of first function differentiation of second function plus second function b differentiation of first function, like that you can write. तो अब देख लो इसमें u और v कौन है, तो हम dy by dx लिख सकते हैं. u क्या है, that is cos x, differentiation d by dx of v is tan x plus v is tan x plus then du by dx, so d by dx of u is how much, cos x. Okay, now you can write it, cos x differentiation of tan x equals to sec x equals to sec square x, okay, plus tan x differentiation of cos x equals to minus sin x. And last you will write cos x sec square x plus, sorry, it's minus multiplied by here, and it will be minus sin x tan x. Okay, so this is the answer. Up to here it is clear. Only this type of questions comes, like two functions are given of x. See here, cos x is a function of x, tan x is also the function of x. So you can differentiate easily. Okay, some more type of questions we will study in the same chapter, the third chapter. To find the velocity acceleration, we will get some equations in terms of t. ना, so t वेरिएबल जो वहाँ पे होगा वहाँ पे t होगा, और वहाँ पे t के रिस्पेक्ट में हम डिफरेंशिएट और इंटीग्रेट करेंगे. अभी यहाँ पे ऐसे ही समझो, ठीक है. अभी और अच्छे से क्लियर होगा जब हम ये थर्ड चैप्टर को कंप्लीट करेंगे. दीज आर द बेसिक एग्जाम्पल्स, ठीक है. अब जरा हम थोड़ा सा और कर लेते हैं. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आई होप यू कैन डू बाय ओन. नाउ आई एम मूविंग फॉर द इंटीग्रेशन, सम अदर formula, that is like differentiation of, if you are going to differentiate दिस टाइप ऑफ फॉर्मूला u अपॉन v। अभी तो मल्टीप्लाई वाला तुमने कर लिया, अगर ये u अपॉन v टाइप का फॉर्म हो तो तब कैसे करोगे? ठीक है, सो इसको मैं बता देती हूँ कैसे करोगे। सो इफ y इक्वल्स टू u अपॉन v, हाउ कैन यू डिफ्रेंशिएट दिस टाइप ऑफ इक्वेशंस? तो इसको कंटिन्यू करते हैं इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, बिकॉज दिस वीडियो इज ऑलरेडी वेरी लेंथी। सो इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल कंटिन्यू हाउ कैन वी डिफरेंशिएट दिस टाइप ऑफ questions. Okay, so study well, and we will continue it in the next video. Okay, so and do practice with some more examples, this type of more examples you can do practice. Okay, so अच्छे से पढ़ाई करते रहो, take care all of you, bye bye.